general. And insurance pays for it, and so it helps prevent decay. Now, too much fluoride can be dangerous, and you guys are going to be learning about that. In fact, it's one of your questions, or that's going to be one of your pamphlets. So if I have a child here, I'm going to use friendly words. I'm not going to say today we're doing a fluoride treatment to a 7-year-old. I'm going to say we're going to put some tooth vitamins on your teeth. So this is, now I'm being creative here because fluoride is expensive. You are not going to be using the foam fluoride. You are going to be using shaving cream, but it comes out the same. So I already know how to use the fluoride. This you happen to have to shake, and then we hold it kind of vertically to put it in the tray. Now our typodonts have third molars. A 7-year-old would not. So technically these do not fit. When I ordered them, I didn't realize that these had third molars. But here you can see our tray. We are going to put fluoride in the top and the bottom. So I've shaked my can. Usually it says 15 seconds, some say 30. We always read and know how to use our material. You don't go ask the doctor. Okay? So now, technically I've not tried this foam, but I thought it was a good idea. Let's see. Okay, it's just like foam fluoride in the fact that it expands. So I have a little bit too much.
It's falling off.
Really, it should be about like this. This is too much, but let me show you. If you get too much, before you put it in that patient mouth, you can go like this. Well, this is a little thick, but I didn't have the money for all that fluoride, and there was no sense in wasting it. Okay, so I've already looked in there to see what's going on, to see, you know, if they have their second molars. I've told them that we're going to apply some tooth vitamins. I'm going to dry their teeth. Stay open for me, Tommy. Hey, you're going to be my big helper today. I'm going to put this in. Open for me. Now bite up and down for me. Now I give Tommy the timer, and I give him something to do. You let him be your helper because it's a distraction from them either feeling like they're going to gag. You can act like you're Tommy. Then I say, now make sure you don't swallow. And a lot of times I have Tommy help me. Could you help me with this? And they go in. You don't want them to swallow. So you're just kind of going in. Now they have kind of gone up and down to make sure that if the tooth is not covered, then the fluoride's not going to be effective.
What do you do it for?
Well, we do it according to the manufacturer, and this actually was 4 minutes. So if you have to read carefully because it said 1 to 4, but when we realized that it's neutral sodium fluoride, and you guys are going to be doing papers so that you're going to kind of learn the difference, but we do it for 4. There are some fluorides that are only 1 minute.
How are we supposed to keep them busy for 4 minutes?
Well, most foam fluorides are only 1 minute now, but you sit there and talk to them. What you do this summer? How's school? Yeah, but you get them thinking. I bet you're looking forward to your fall break.
I think once for yes, twice for no.
Okay. Most fluorides are 1 minute. Now, if your patient starts to feel gaggy, there's a little trick we've learned. If they start to go, you can tell. You can have them, hey, take your left foot and twirl it 10 times. This really works, especially when we're doing impressions. And they're going to stop focusing on a big mouthful of foam and maybe a bitter taste, and then they're going to be focusing on